Hello guys, tuko Kisumu leo. Taka tufanye some tile work na mazera, so today I'll show you more about tile. So tunafanya huku the back side. As you see, tuna prepare, tunatafuta hizo buckets za korogea the adhesive. This is the wall to be installed, the tiles, we are doing the hacking. Yeah, this lady is really doing a good job. Keep it up, mwanamke bomba. This is the mixer na mix the adhesive vizuri, inafanya kazi inakuwa rahisi na napunguza watu wa mkono. Fanya kazi safi. Now this is the installing now. You apply your mortar, your adhesive. Make sure it is enough for the tile. Use the vibrator to make sure that your tile sticks well on the wall. Yep, as you see, it's a clean job. Yes. So guys, this is how we do it. Follow us for more. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Share the link. I'll appreciate. And for any question, any tutorial video, please follow me. And make sure you leave your comment. I will really appreciate. Bye.